Hello and welcome to Data Science Brews. In this video, I'm going to introduce the concept of methods in Python and manipulate strings using these methods. Now, what's a method? A method is an action that Python can perform on a piece of data. One of the simplest tasks that you can do with strings is change the case of the words in a string. If you don't know what strings are, please go to my video on strings. I have linked the video in the description below. Now, for those who don't know what the different cases in a string are, I would like to walk through them with examples. This is an example of title case. This is an example of lowercase. This is an example of uppercase. Now, let's get our hands dirty with code. Alright, you guys ready? I have my Jupyter notebook open. I'm going to create a string variable. I'm going to name the variable as television underscore show equals, that is, I'm going to assign the value Game of Thrones to my variable, and I'm going to print by variable. So I'm going to say print television underscore show dot title open close paren, and I'm going to hit Alt Enter, and voila, I get Game of Thrones as title case. Next, I'm going to say print television underscore show dot lower open close paren, and I'm going to hit Alt Enter. I get Game of Thrones. Each letter in the words is lowercase. Okay, it is similar to the case of the variable that I created. Now, I want to use the method uppercase and see what happens, right? So I'm going to say print television underscore show dot upper open close paren and hit Alt Enter. And now I get Game of Thrones. Every letter in my string or every character in my string is uppercased. All right. Now, the method, as we discussed before, is an action that Python can perform on a piece of data. The dot after television show in television underscore show dot title open close paren tells Python to make the title method act on that variable name. Got it? Now, every method is followed by a set of parentheses. Why? Because methods often need additional information to do their work, right? That information is provided inside the parentheses. The title function doesn't need any additional information here, so its parentheses are empty. The title displays each word in title case, where each word begins with a capital letter and remaining words are lowercase. The lower method is particularly useful for storing data. Now, many times you won't want to trust the capitalization that your users provide, right? So you would want to kind of standardize the case of the characters. So you'll convert the strings to lowercase before storing them, or uppercase before storing them, whatever way you want to standardize. So let's say I have users giving me different names. One user gives me a name as all uppercase. Another user gives me all title case. And now I have set a rule that, hey, I want all my strings to be standardized as lowercase. So I'm going to use the lowercase function to display the information. This completes our discussion on methods for manipulating strings in Python. Now, these methods are all built-in methods in Python. Okay. If you have any comments, questions, please write in the comment section below. If you want to share some information about Python or some methods that you've already learned or are using on your projects, please feel free to comment. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the bell icon. I would really appreciate your feedback and comments. Until then, peace.